Hello, it's Dee, and this is the Age of Aquarius Spiritual Path Tarot reading for July the 25th, 2020, also known as Day 36, Age of Aquarius. Wow. Sit here and think back when they first indicated that we had entered the Age of Aquarius in the end of the Mayan calendar back on June 20th, and it's like, wow. Time is flying. Of course, time is an illusion. But when you're in the biosuit, you get the drift. Anyway, I started to meditate, and the first thing I heard was, you are loved. And then they wanted me to remind you all to shine brightly. You know, a lot of you might worry about what others think. Don't. Because what others think doesn't matter. Not in the grand scheme of things. So, anyway. So we'll get to the reading. This is for Saturday. Hope you guys are having an amazing TGIF. You know, I am. When I got out of the office for a while and had some fun. Oh, that's from yesterday's reading. So, yeah, we got out and had some fun together, so, which we needed to do. We both work really hard every day, so. Here we go. I'm going to put the energy in. There it is. Alrighty. Day 36. Overall energy. Overall energy for day 36. Overall energy for day 36. Overall energy for day 36. Saturday. For the Earthbound Devas. Earthbound Angels. Just so, right? Just so for tomorrow. My hunch is this year is going to get really amazing from here on out. Overall energy for Saturday. Okay. Shining Dew. Knight of Chalices. Nice. What is our highest priority? What is the highest priority for the Earthbound Devas? What is our highest priority for tomorrow? No, okay. I know what they're telling me. Yep. The Holy See, Key 5, Master of the Arcanes. And what do the Earthbound Devas need to be mindful of or prepare for? do we need to be mindful of and prepare for? Yes, Gabriel and I hear both of you. You're like, are you paying attention? I'm paying attention. I promise you. Okay. Oh, the ferryman. Underlying energy. Moving on to calmer waters, huh? The hollow void, the giver, and the mason. Mindful of and prepare for. Oh, I know what that is. Yeah. Yep. Oh, this is a good reading, guys. Really good. Yay! The Holy See, notice the hands pointing at the Six of Swords. Yep. Moving on to very calm waters. Some fast incoming energy possibly too. But we'll focus on the ferryman because that's our underlying. Six of Swords. The ferryman navigates us to calmer waters. When the ferryman appears to you, you are about to embark upon a... My mouth won't work. Embark upon a journey in hopes of leaving behind turbulent waters and achieving earned success. The success factors that the ferryman endows you with are intellectualism, acute and accurate analysis, and clear cognizance. Plans move forward. You are being guided across what you previously thought was an impossible obstacle to overcome. So, overcoming those obstacles is the underlying energy. So, that tells me the floodgates are open. So get your little boats. You won't need your sails because if the dam's open, it'll carry you down that river. Just make sure you're relaxed and let that energy flow. Remember, the reason tarot works is it's because of the machine, the divine plan. It's in the program of the matrix, or what I like to call the holodeck. So relax and let that calm energy wash over you because very much brighter days are ahead. Alright, the shining dew, waters and waves, also known as the Knight of Chalices. Okay. You are now being given divine instruction to alchemize the elemental nature of water to enhance social charisma. Transmuted water helps you decelerate, slow down your frantic movements, find your calming center, and reflect. Fluidity is the quality of being like water, as is the Taoist philosophy of Wu-Wei. And the shining dew is here to guide you toward free flow so you might roll with the waves and let the natural movements of karma take you where you need to go. Just like I said in the ferryman. The dam's open. You don't need sails. Just put your little boat, get in it, and cruise. Okay? This reading's definitely about doing that. The Knight of Chalices is your guide as you navigate the waters of destiny. Just like I said, the machine at work. Slowing down and achieving an inner calm will lead you to wielding incredible soft power over others, which in turn endows you with the influence you sought to have. When this card appears in a divinatory reading, Spirit is telling you to sublimate what is deep within your psyche into the material world as creative or artistic product. Allow your soul to be visible. There you go. Shine like the bright little devas you are. That's what they were telling me. Keep it up. You guys are doing fantastic. And they want you to keep it up. It's going to be, the rest of this year is going to be wowza. I'm just sure of it. And the Holy See is pointing at this. So, calmer waters ahead. The Holy See, 5. Master of the Arcanes. That is also known as the Hierophant card. The card of Taurus. And I can guarantee you the reason these cards came out so slow is because this one right here. I always have to poke at the Tauruses because they move so slowly sometimes. They're so steady, though. That's what amazes me about the sign of Taurus. They're such a steady, rock-solid sign. Like, yeah, you can count on them kind of person. Okay? Anyway, so if you got Taurus in your chart, yeehaw. Alright. When the Holy See appears to you, you are confronting what you have inherited and are now tasked to evaluate that inheritance with individual responsibility. This is a spirit of sovereignty over your soul purpose. When the Holy See appears to you, it's time to evaluate your material, cultural, and social norms. Discern for yourself whose interpretation of the arcanes is the correspondence that rings true with your divine higher genius. When Key 5 appears to you, take care that you are not following a false prophet. Restrain your indulgences. This is the Having Faith card. It's also an indication of 2 keys. 2 keys to 2 souls. The twins. The twins are moving on to calmer waters because it's pointing right at it. That's good. Elephants indicate the wisdom of this card. It's a brilliant reading. All right. What we need to be mindful of and prepare for. The hollow void for chalices. The Divine's going to be offering a cup. Yep. The hollow void builds our psychic inner platform for spiritual strength. This is a spirit presence with you as you look inward, reflect, meditate, and reach independent insight on why there is a hollow void. Remember, they told you to relax and meditate. And this card is too. This is a spirit that helps you conduct re-evaluation. How do you find meaning in that which feels meaningless? The hollow void is the spirit here to help you navigate personal sensations of worldly discontent. Here, a sorceress goddess of magic and healing, signified by the scorpion perched in the tree, has compelled a divine hand to offer you waters blended from the mystic sea and the sea of awareness. Spiritual reevaluation and attainment of worldly knowledge that will fill that hollow void. Yeah. A mixing of the seas with the cup, the Holy Grail being offered. So, looks like a day of serious inner work, which is good. Equal reciprocity, the giver, 6 of orbs. Okay. The giver. Let the karmic circle remain unbroken. Give to receive and receive but give back. The giver is the spirit of provision. Seek anonymity. Seeking anonymity. Sorry. The giver shows only the hand in offering. Yet know this about the many names of the giver. Anastasia, the giver of gifts. In the 6 of orbs, we also see the divine blessings of Demeter, who gifts you with material success. When the giver appears to you, the spirit of nurture is all around you. Give freely, mercifully, and you shall receive freely and mercifully. 4, 6, 3. Okay. And the Mason, 3 of orbs. Upon the first stair, ex nihilo nihil fit. The philosophy that every work is built or becomes or comes from a pre-existing work. The Mason is completion and inauguration with a materialized work product to show for yourself. It is the spirit of merit by your side, of hard work and dedication that pays off. This is the spirit of architecture, of construction, and material works erected brick by brick, stone by stone. Labor omnia vincit. Hard work conquers all. So that's what to be mindful of and prepare for. Hard work, equal reciprocity, and more insight that was gained from looking within. The divine's handing you a cup. Make sure you take it. Make sure you take the cup. So, anyway, looks like a really grand day. We got 6, 5, and 4, 6, 3. So, I'm trying to see if there's anything else that is standing out to me. Moving forward in love, faith, and equal reciprocity working together. Has everything to do with this cup coming in. There's a cup. Much smoother, much calmer waters ahead, guys. That's really good news. So, keep up the good work and shine brightly. Don't care what other people think about you. We all feel like we don't belong here because the majority is so programmed. But shine for others like us. Shine for each other. We all can use that. Anyway, I love you guys. Until Sunday's reading, take care.